Yeah, so the rules are it's a 24-hour challenge pushing the mower as it's cutting grass. The distance I need to beat is 107.5 kilometres in the 24 hours. I'm the only one that really can touch the mower, change the batteries, things like that. But yeah, it'll be a good challenge.
First official timekeepers of this marathon walk slash mower push. So what we're doing at the moment, we've got our sports timer watches here. There's also out the back over here from us, there's another timing pad. We're basically watching every single lap, making sure that Bradley gets to a certain point. We have to document the time of the start and the time at the end of the lap, officiate all the witness statements here, and make sure everything is going well.
I'm here with Bradley. So how are you feeling today? Just before we start, how are you going?
Yeah, no, doing well. Really pumped, ready to go. Got about 20 minutes before we start.
Yeah.
Just keen to get out there.
Yeah. All right, we are counting down now. 15 seconds to go. Here we go, 24 hours, 108 kilometers. Go, go, go.
Good job, brothers. Good luck, man.
So I'm going to be holding this world record attempt down here in Victoria, in Melbourne, for those listening overseas. So it's at the Wyndham Vale Cricket Club. So the Wyndham Vale Cricket Club is a huge supporter of mine. They've been really good at helping me organise the event. It's also a football club, but obviously it's cricket season. So they're even going to paint the boundary line on there for me to give me a guide as I'm doing the mower. So big shout out to those guys. And obviously it's an open event to the public. And yeah, it's been great to see people down here.
All right, so it's 477 metres per lap. So how many laps in total do we have to do?
It's about 225 from memory.
And how are you feeling now? So you're about half a dozen in?
Yeah, feeling really good. Started off with a bit of rain, so no better way to start. So get the worst of it over and just keep pushing.
Bradley joins us now from Wyndham Vale outside of Melbourne. Bradley, so good to see you, mate. That is some serious grass you've been cutting.
Second break here,
yeah,
and we're having a good massage and loosening everything up. We're going to do a clothes change, stop change, have some food, and be back on the trail or back on the lawnmower in 10 minutes. I think we've got the stopwatch on.
Now, Lawnmower Man, it's your time. Are you growing a mow for Movember?
Everywhere.
Well, Bradley Brown is taking a different approach. He's attempting to break the world distance record for pushing a lawnmower in 24 hours.
What a bloody legend, 50 kilometres, here he comes, killing it. How you feeling, man?
Good, mate, good. 50 k's in. 50 k's
doing
in.
Such a great job. Awesome, awesome,
Another person for another lap by the look of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm doing this challenge to bring attention to the charity Movember. Been involved with Movember for, this will be my 10th year. I really feel it's a charity that will not only helps people like me and everyday blokes, but it'll also help the kids when they grow up, knowing that they've got resources around them. Anything from mental health to testicular cancer to new dads needing help or just someone to talk to. So I really feel passionate about the charity, and they do such a great job, and they're behind this attempt with me, pretty much walking every step with me. So yeah, all good.
Oh, how exciting is this? It's almost dinner time. We've got a few food trucks here just arriving, and we're almost at the 60-kilometer mark. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, as there's a lot more documentaries coming in the future. We've got 14 of the most iconic overnight multi-day hikes in Australia coming up as well. We've got obviously the Great Aussie Hike, which is a fantastic 100-kilometer, 60-kilometer and 30-kilometer walking event coming up in March. So yeah, stay tuned and subscribe. Your support means a hell of a lot.
Hey guys, so we're 12 hours in. I just got the tooting of the horn to tell me I've done 70 Ks. Look, the body's holding up. A little bit sore, I'm not gonna lie, but nothing I can't push through until my next break, which is in about an hour. So yeah, I'll just keep pushing, literally.
Yeah, you've done an amazing job. And the little mower.
Oh, the little mower is absolutely fantastic.
Say this mower's done 70k.
And 12 hours pretty much straight with the odd battery change. So it's been really, really, really good.
Yeah.
Very nice for a walk.
Get out walking, everyone. It's the greatest thing you could do.
In fact, I think I might walk all night.
Yeah.
Yeah, so from a sponsor's point of view, we've got Mitre 10 on board. They've roped in Stanley, and Stanley Fatmax are providing the mower for me. So that's obviously really good. It's an electric mower, and at the end of the challenge, that mower will be auctioned off to raise more money for Movember. I also have a company called TK Property Services. They're donating a large chunk of money that we'll be using for dollar matching, which is really cool. And some of the smaller sponsors, like Oz Timing, digital running boards for the digital board, Coles, the Wyndham Vale Cricket Club. Got a lot of little guys out there happy to support the cause and what we're doing.
And 100 kilometers.
100, baby! Woo! Hey, morning, guys, let's do this!
So we just found out that it's how many laps until the world record?
9 laps.
9 laps.
4.5 Ks.
4.5 Ks. Wow, congratulations, Brad. Like 108 kilometers you've done. So on that final lap, when you did it all by yourself and you really took in the moment, what was sort of going through your head?
Yeah, look, there was definitely a lot of emotion. Look, I've trained really hard for this, and the fact that I was able to do it with 4 hours to spare was just a phenomenal effort for me personally. And yeah, probably a little bit overcome with some emotion as I crossed the finish line. But, you know, it's been a great personal journey for the last 20 hours, and let's see where we can end this.
Yeah, so that's right. So you got to complete the full 24 hours. Is that right?
Yeah, so the obviously world record is the furthest distance over 24 hours. So even though I have beat the current record, I still have to continue walking for 4 hours.
Yeah, so you beat the distance that someone else achieved in 24 hours, but you've got 4 hours up your sleeve to now set a new record. So what do you try? What is the new world record that you're going to try and achieve?
Look, I reckon we can get close to maybe 122 Ks.
Yeah.
I'm still keeping a very good pace, so see how we go.
All right, the sun is rising. It is absolutely beautiful. 115 kilometers. Absolutely feeling amazing. Doing a great job. So we're on lap 250 and got one more lap until it's 120 kilometers. Wow, so this is the final break. So we've just got half an hour of walking left. And within that half an hour, he's already at 123 kilometers. And not even in 24 hours, that's 23 hours and a half. So last half an hour, last break. We're all tired, fatigued, and in pain. Special is that double rainbow?
That double rainbow, absolutely awesome.
Yeah, with only 23 minutes to go, let's find out. Can't wait what the new world record is going to be. Crowd's building here, last couple 100 meters. This is amazing. Well done. 24 hours of walking. You've done an amazing job, man. You should be so proud of yourself.
That was intense, and probably something I'm never ever going to do again.
Yeah, oh, never say never, but you should be so proud of yourself. Everyone should be so proud. The effort, the determination, the strength, everything you've done,
Thanks
man.
for the support, and obviously thank you to Ellie, Berg, Buddy, Lauren, Stefan, Daniel, everyone that's been here for 24 hours. Movember Cricket Club, Mel, Tony, like, amazing, guys. Thank you very much.
Wow, that's the end of the doco. Thank you so much for watching. It really means the world. I really hope you got something out of it, you were inspired, and you learnt about what it takes to do such a big walk, and all the effort to go through. Bradley, the family, everyone that was here to support him and make his dream come true. And I want to say thank you so much, Bradley and Nathan, for giving me the opportunity to coach or mentor you over these last 9 weeks to help you complete this terrific, amazing challenge, world record of 125 kilometers in 24 hours, all for Movember. I'll put the fundraising amount up on the screen, but yeah, I hope you're all well, and stay tuned for the next Healing Hikes adventure, and happy hiking.